The health benefits of pistachios and their uses. 1. Pistachios are delicious green nuts with a hard shell which were originally grown in Asia. These have been consumed for thousands of years and have some excellent health benefits for the human body. 2. Pistachios contain a high amount of vitamin B6, which helps to reduce swelling in the body. Eating these can help relieve fluid retention in the body and promote better blood flow. 3. To eat these you must crack and remove the shells. You can place a towel over these and hit them with something heavy to do this. You may also take a piece of pistachio shell and place it in the cracks of another pistachio and then twist. 4. This nut is also rich in thiamine, a natural form of vitamin B1 which reduces stress and anxiety. This helps to calm your nervous system, make you feel more relaxed and get a better night's sleep. 5. These are one of the best nuts or seeds for those who suffer with kidney stones. They contain a very low amount of oxalates compared to other nuts, which are easier to digest. 6. Eating a handful of pistachios daily can help you feel more alert with better concentration. They are rich in the copper trace mineral, which helps to build better connections in the brain between neurons. 7. Pistachios can help to reduce the effects of aging as they are rich in antioxidants including beta-carotene and tocopherols, which help to protect your cells from free radical damage and oxidation. 8. The copper also helps to build more collagen, further improving the health of the skin and preventing premature graying of the hair. 9. These nuts are rich in an amino acid called arginine, which helps to keep the arteries flexible by boosting nitric oxide. This relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow, lowering the risk of heart disease. 10. This also improves blood flow to the genitals to help treat men who suffer with erectile dysfunction. 11. Pistachios are usually eaten as a snack, but can also be cooked into delicious recipes such as low-carb bread or ground and added to granola. 12. Potassium found in pistachios and plants helps to control blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of weight gain and diabetes. 13. Eating these along with other healthy foods like leafy greens supports a strong and healthy immune system. It contains zinc, which helps to release T cells. These attack different invaders in the body like parasites, bacterial infections, viruses and fungi. 14. The zinc is also helpful in reducing prostate enlargement in men as they get older. It does this by balancing hormones and reducing DHT. 15. Women who are in menopause, pregnant or breastfeeding will benefit from eating pistachio seeds. They are rich in folate, vitamin B6 and zinc, which help to balance the hormones, prevent birth defects in children and boost the quality of breast milk. 16. A typical serving of pistachios is around 1 ounce or 49 kernels to boost your health on a daily basis. 17. Eating these can also improve skin elasticity as they are loaded with chlorophyll and vitamin E. These also help in healing internal skin such as the esophagus, colon and stomach. 18. If you suffer with low energy levels, then eating healthy nuts rich in omega-3 can help. Pistachios are rich in ALA, a healthy fatty acid which boosts energy levels in the body. This is a healthy fat which also reduces pain and inflammation. 19. The vitamin E in pistachios is also very helpful in balancing hormones in both men and women. It supports the endocrine glands in producing and distributing over 50 different hormones through the body. 20. Eating these also supports healthy eyes by getting more lutein and zeaxanthin into the body. These carotenoids strengthen the lens in the eyes and reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. 21. We recommend adding pistachios to healthy salads as these nuts contain healthy fats, which help you to absorb more nutrients from salad leaves. 22. You can also make a delicious basil and pistachio sauce by blending these with a little garlic, oregano, lemon juice, chili and sea salt. This works wonderful in low-carb wraps, with Mexican vegetable burgers or as a dip. As you can see, pistachios are excellent nuts for improving human health and strengthening the body. To learn more about nutrition, healthy foods and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.